how to see your Instagram password if not saved. So if you want to log into your Instagram, or if you want your Instagram password and if you don't remember your password, then to know your Instagram password, what you need to do is you need to open up your Google account in which you have saved your password or that you've used while creating your Instagram account. So go with your Google, make sure that you've logged into the correct account, go with profile, which is on the top, go with manage your Google account, and now swipe left, go with security section. Under security, scroll all the way down, tap on manage passwords. And from here, you need to search for Instagram. Go with instagram.com and you need to enter your screen lock or your fingerprint. And here you will have all of the passwords. You will have the email, the passwords. You can go with the eye-shaped icon, which is on the right side. And once you tap on the eye-shaped icon, you will see all of the passwords. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.